Hi, I'm Mark Scheuer with PS Engineering, and at 2022 AirVenture we're introducing what we like to call a inflation fighter. We've taken our top-of-the-line PMA450C and taken some of the functionality that not everyone uses, which allows us to save parts and save costs in the manufacture of the part. The PMA450C functionality includes 2 Bluetooth modules, which allows you to hook up 2 independent devices such as a phone and an iPad, which is really useful if you're using iPad for ForeFlight or other applications, so that you can not only hear the alerts, but maybe music from your phone or making a phone call while you're on the ground for air traffic control. It has IntelliAudio. Unlike the 450B, where you can place COM1 and COM2 in 9 unique positions, the primary 2 locations that perform the best is the 10 o'clock position for COM1 and the 2 o'clock position for COM2. What that allows the pilot to do is listen to the radio that's important at any instant in time. The intercom function is isolate all on crew. That's pretty standard with all audio panels and intercoms. The PS Engineering was the first company to provide split mode, and it holds as true as today as it did 25 years ago. When you press the 2 transmitter buttons, the pilot is on COM1 and the co-pilot is on COM2. If you look closely between C1 and C2, you see 2 arrows chasing each other. That is an indication of an infinite loop digital recorder. So we will record everything that COM1 is receiving or everything COM2 is receiving. The key here is it's going to record the radio that you're transmitting on. To play back the last recorded message, you press and hold the C2 button and you'll hear the last recorded message. The radio allows you to either connect your ADF or DME, but if you don't have either one of those, you can actually rename these up to 9 alphanumeric characters. The intercom has the standard, alternate, and co-pilot as passenger. That allows you to tailor the intercom function for your particular mission. And co-pilot as passenger kind of was invented thanks to the Young Eagles program. It prevents the co-pilot from transmitting and treats that person as if they're one of the persons in the back of the aircraft. IntelliAudio is, of course, what we have been most famous for. With IntelliAudio on, COM1 will come from the 10 o'clock position, COM2 will come from the 2 o'clock position. This allows the pilot to pay attention to the aircraft radio that's important at any instant in time. You can also have the IntelliAudio in auto mode. So when there's only one COM on, that COM will be in the 12 o'clock position or seeming to come from straight ahead. And finally, you can turn IntelliAudio off and turn monitor function on. Monitor function, as you'll notice, C1 is blinking because COM2 is the primary radio, COM2 is the secondary radio. Every time COM2 becomes active, it mutes COM1. We can also set up how the music is muted, so the pilot can have the radio mute the music only. The co-pilot might want to have everything mute the music, and maybe the passengers don't want their music muted at all. And finally, each station can have their own volumes. So the pilot can maybe have it in the background, co-pilot might be wanting to rock and roll, and the passengers may want to have a normal listening level. So the list price is $25.95, and we worked really hard to make it available. So the PMA450C is shipping today. You can learn more about our company by going to ps-engineering.com.